Good evening, friends. Today we are going to see how you can connect your smartphone or any Android powered phone to the internet using an Ethernet cable, the normal Ethernet cables like this one. This is an Ethernet cable, Cat6. This is this is Cat5, but the same applies to Cat6. The same applies to Cat6. So what you need the cable and the OTG connector, depending on the type of the phone that you have. If you have a smartphone, you have to use this connector, OTG connector of this type. This is the type. This side is the smart connection. This side is a USB. So this is the OTG. If you have an iPhone 6 and above, you can use this kind of OTG connector. As you can see, what you do here, since this side is also a smart, it's a port for smart, you just connect this OTG to this one like this. Then you have this provision where you can connect your Ethernet adapter. The Ethernet adapter that you need to buy in case you don't have one is this one. This is the Ethernet adapter. One end is a USB, another end is a Ethernet port. So this is also an Ethernet adapter or a network card, which is a USB. You just plug it into the PC if you want to connect the PC, but if you want to connect the phone, you just have to use these connectors as I said earlier. So for the smartphone, this is for Type-C. If you have a Samsung Galaxy 8, Galaxy S8 Plus, and other phones that use Type-C connector. So this is the OTG, the same like the one of smart. So this is for smart, this is for Type-C. They are all the same. This side is just different from here, but this side is the same, as you can see. So today we are going to use this one for smart. So this one is not used. Now let me connect the OTG to the USB part of this adapter, which is the Ethernet adapter. Connect it to this side like this. As you can see, I have connected my OTG connector for smart phones. Then after you get your phone from this side where they charge from, connect the cable like that. So connect the cable to that port. Then this side you get your cable, the Ethernet cable, whether Cat6 or Cat5. Connect it to the switch. Connect it to the switch. Connect it to the switch. So let's connect the cable to the switch. Here is our switch, which is already connected to the internet through this our router, which is connected to the ISP. Then connect the cable to the switch like that. Make sure that it is well fixed. So this is the cable. Now get the cable, this end of the cable, connect it to this side of the adapter, which is the Ethernet card. Let's first connect this first. Just like that. And let's put this one back to the Android phone. Now let's connect. As you connect, you first see this again. As you connect your, sorry for that. As